아주 오랜 시간을 지나와야 오리온 대성운은 지구에서 1300광년이 떨어져 있어요. 1300년을 건너와야 눈앞에 두고 볼 수 있는 인연인 거죠.
그래? 그거 좀 어딨어?
겨울철 별자리라 지금은 안 보일 겁니다.
겨울에만 볼 수 있다니 아쉽네. 그거 말고 지금 당장 볼 수 있는 데는 없어?
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another video. As you can tell with the title of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to watch stars or go stargazing in your car. So if you're like me, who lives in a country like the UK, which is mostly known for its rain, I think it rains 80% of the time of the year, and you know, that being said, you don't really get to see the stars up in the sky. So I'm going to show you guys how to go stargazing in your car. You ready? Bam. Yep. Looks like a pile of crap right now, but these are optic lights. So you got your light engine over here and 500 optic lights strings, I think. These ones are quite special because, well, it said it has this meteor effect or something. I haven't really figured it out yet, but oh well, it looks nice in the pictures. I actually got this idea a few years back from watching Sonny's vlog. What he said was Rolls Royce came up with this idea, you know, the starlight ceiling for the cars, but Rolls Royce charges 12K to have them installed. This cost me £100. Oh yeah, Sonny from Eliminate, if you so happen to watch this video, first things first, I love you. And second, where the heck are you, man? You haven't uploaded like months. Bring back those videos. Alright, let's get the day started. Things you're gonna need for this project: optic lights, some marker pens to mark your stars, a pin to put some holes where you marked your stars, hot glue gun to glue the lights down, and the most important thing, or two of the most important things for this project, are time and patience, because it's gonna take a while. It's gonna be a little bit of work, but trust me, it's gonna be all worth it. So I already went ahead to take out my headliner, which was a piece of cake anyway, so it was just a few clips and screws. But as you can see, I already went ahead and sort of tried to design how I want my starry night. First I wanted this little galaxy here, but then I realized 500 lights was not going to be enough to do that, so I had to redo the whole design. So it looks like a mess now, but trust the process. So these ones here, so I have 100 optic light meteor effects. So these red markers here are going to be my meteor lights. So hopefully that turns out cool. So if I counted it right, I've done 500 dots for the stars. Now I gotta poke it all out 500 times. Let's go. 1. That's 100 holes. 400 to go. And that's 500 holes done. Well, at least I think it is. I try to keep count after every hole I did, but I lost track. So I think it's 500. It looks like 500, give or take. It doesn't matter if I miss a few or have a little few more holes. You're not really gonna see it. But the homie Joe's on his way to pick me up. We're having a little boys night, you know, go out for drinks, play some pool or something. So I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. Okay, it's a new day. And let's not waste any time. Let's get this project done. It's gonna take a long time. First things first, let's go read the instructions. Okay. Right. Alright, we got a problem. I can't read Chinese. Right? Guess we're winging it. First one. Okay. That's hot glued in. Only 499 to go. Okay. So I want to say I'm like a little over 25% done. And what? It's been half an hour, so I'm making good time. It is taking a little while, but like I keep saying, it's gonna be worth it. I'm finally done. Oh, almost. I still have to put it back in the car. But this heap of mess here is gonna look pretty on the other side. Okay, I lied. I still have to cut these things here. But the beauty of these optic lights is when you cut them off, it still shines. Well, I stuck on 500. Now I gotta cut off 500. Last one. And done. Oh, that took way too long. But I'm not gonna lie to you, it looks freaking cool. Check this out. Oh, see those meteor effect ones too? Wait for it. Bam. Damn. Hard work pays off. Alright, let's check out the different colors. Alright, so red, green and blue. Oh, that's nice. Yellowish and green, blue, purple. I like the purple one. I think I'm gonna keep the purple one. But apparently if I download the app, it has way more color options and features for the flashes. You can be slow or follow the music of your car. So I'll experiment more on that when I actually put this back in my car. Right now it's currently midnight, so I'm gonna continue this tomorrow night after work. I'm gonna go somewhere that you guys can see this pretty well, so probably in a car park, and then we'll all look at this together. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
아주 오랜 시간을 지나와야 오리온 대성운은 지구에서 1300광년이 떨어져 있어요. 1300년을 건너와야 눈앞에 두고 볼 수 있는 인연인 거죠.
그래? 그거 좀 어딨어?
겨울철 별자리라 지금은 안 보일 겁니다.
겨울에만 볼 수 있다니 아쉽네. 그거 말고 지금 당장 볼 수 있는 데는 없어?
여보세요?
어,
어디야?